Hello, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. I'd like to introduce you the Handy200 board today. This is for cutting drywalls and plaster boards. Fewer burrs come out when cutting. We can cut when pushing and pulling, so its sharpness and durability are superior. Saw cut prevents chips from adhering, and the sharpness keeps long. This is a folding saw, so it's portable and convenient for storage. Now I'm going to cut a drywall. I tried cutting the drywall. As you can see, fewer burrs come out like this after cutting. It cut smoothly and felt good. Thanks to saw cut, there are fewer burrs on the blade. I tried cutting the board. When you use this saw to cut drywalls, I think there are some people who use authentic Japanese saw series you don't use anymore. But this Handy200 board is made for cutting drywalls. So the sharpness keeps long and it feels good. So please try using this saw. Alright, I introduced you Handy200 board. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.